As the world evolves, so do the needs of the students within the monastery. While the preservation of Tibetan Buddhism and its rich cultural heritage remains at the heart of the school, it has become increasingly clear that students also need modern education. For the monastery, it is not about changing its essence, but about growing in a way that remains true to its roots. By embracing both tradition and modern learning, monk scholars can better connect with society, communicate effectively, and share the timeless wisdom of Buddhism with the world. The question was never whether to change, but how to evolve, while staying deeply grounded in what truly matters. The abbot says, "From 1959 until around 1969, we lived in exile in India and stayed in Buxa for nearly 10 years. The novice monks who join our monastery come from Tibet, the Himalayan regions, Nepal, Bhutan, and beyond. We also welcome monks from different countries. Here, we do not look at race or background." In the 1970s, we began recruiting new monks and focused on building a strong foundation through calligraphy, memorization, and basic studies. During this period, the foundation of Gaden Shartse School was established. At our monastery, education is not limited to rituals and prayers. Like the ancient Nalanda monastery, where students studied subjects such as science, mathematics, and astronomy, we also provide both traditional Buddhist education and modern learning. From 1975 onwards, the curriculum was gradually expanded to include Tibetan grammar, classical texts, history, and religious history. Looking ahead, the monastery aims to continue strengthening modern education for its students so that they can engage with today's world with confidence and clarity. At the same time, this is about balance. Modern education is not meant to replace tradition, but to support it, helping students preserve their heritage while connecting meaningfully with the modern world. In recent months, Gaden Shartse Tuesam Noling School reached an important milestone. The school was granted CBSE affiliation, a recognition for its academic standards, facilities, and quality of teaching. This allows students to receive a nationally recognized education while still preserving the school's strong spiritual foundation. The monastery worked towards this affiliation following the advice of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. His Holiness often encourages us to become 21st century monks, grounded in ancient wisdom, yet able to engage with the modern world. In line with this vision, the monastery believes it is important for students to receive both traditional Buddhist education and modern education. This enables them to stand alongside modern science and engage in meaningful dialogue with today's world. His Holiness has also emphasized that it is not enough for students to learn only the Tibetan language. They should also be equipped with modern knowledge. This not only benefits the students themselves, but also enables them to better serve others. By combining ancient wisdom with modern understanding, they will be able to share spirituality more effectively and bring greater benefit to many beings.